What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $35 every 20 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And sometimes I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions or opinions about what I'm talking about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. And also follow me on Instagram. It's at appgrind. Now, one more thing I want to tell you guys about before I get into this method. Go check out my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. If you go over there and subscribe, watch my videos, like all my videos, and drop comments, you're going to get a chance to win some free money over there also. So go ahead and click on the link. It's going to pop up here at the top of this video. Click on that link, go over there, subscribe, so you can get a chance to win some free money over there, along with winning free money over here on this channel here. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss any of the steps you need to take to earn this $35 every 20 minutes. So without further ado, let me go ahead and go over to this site and I'll show you all about this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the website. Now I'm gonna show you two websites. So this is the first one and the name of this website is 2Capture. So you may not heard of what a capture is, and you probably have. And what it is when you are logging into a website, they have an image that pops under the login, under the sign in area, and you have to try to figure out what that image is and type it down, and then you'll be able to log in. So what this company does is help other companies or customers to try to figure those things out. And they hire people to figure these captures out. And everyone that you figure out, you get paid for it. So right over here where it says order captures. So this is like the image that you're going to try to figure out and solve. So starting from 50 cents US dollars for 1,000 solved captures. So you're going to get 50 cents for every 1,000. And the API is available for most popular programming languages. And response time is less than 12 seconds. So you'll click right there to start. Now, once you come to this website, well, let me tell you about this. It says work for 2Capture, make money, home data entry work, instant payments, easy to start. You just click start right there to start. Or if you want to click on learn more, it'll tell you a little bit more about what you're going to be doing. But we're going to go over that in a minute. So when you come to this website, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you're going to click where it says work for us. It's going to take you to this page here. So let's just read about it right quick. I'm not going to be on this site that long because I have another site I want to show you. So online capture typing job. Capture solving is a very simple and guaranteed way to have additional income in the internet. Guess they're trying to say on the internet or on the internet. But anyway, to work on the service, you only need a computer, keyboard, or internet connection. And the idea is that there are numerous types of images that cannot be recognized automatically, and there are people, customers, who are ready to pay for recognition of these images. We have created a service suitable for both customers and workers. We collect images from the customer and send them to you, the worker, in a simple interface where you need to enter the text correctly according to the shown images. You will earn funds for every correctly entered capture. To start work on our service, you only have to register an account, hit start work, and then the system will guide you through the training tasks to show you what to do. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can begin to earn money by solving captures. It's that simple, guys. So let's just scroll down here and let me show you a few other things. So 20 to 80 cents per hour you're going to be making. Let me just scroll right down here and read a couple of other things. So 50 cents for 1 or 2 hours, depending on service load, different payout methods. Minimum payout is 50 cents. No payout fees. You get in your wallet the exact earn amount. And you just click that to start. So this is a pretty easy work to do here, and you're going to be earning. I mean, it's not a whole lot of money, but when you do a lot of these captures, which is going to take a few seconds to do, you can do probably thousands of them in 15, 20 minutes. So you can make some money doing this. So if you want to go ahead and get started, just go to tocapture.com. Now let me go to the second website. All right, I'm at the second website, and it's called Megatypers. So easy work, easy money. Earn typer credits worth over $200 every month. So Megatypers.com is a workforce management company that provides data entry service to private and governmental institutions. Our main goal is to support our clients' digitation. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. So our services also include image to text, which is what you're going to be doing, recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting the visually impaired to overcome internet's visual challenges. So, but you're going to come here, it's other things you can do on here, but you can just focus on the image to text, which is the captures. So, and anybody can do this. So mothers stay at home, parents, students, people in between jobs. And as you can see here, it says how much you earn depends on the amount of work you do. Our top typers earn between $100 typing credits and $250 typing credits each month. Our payment rate starts from 45 cents typing credits for each 1,000 words, images typed. So, and let's see where they pay. They pay through debit card, bank check, PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. And you click right there to sign up and start. So this is a pretty good one too, guys. So you got two websites you can go to do these simple capture jobs and get paid some good money. So go ahead and go over to Megatypers.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag The Grind Is Real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And also, please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Now, one more thing before I go, guys. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you guys checking me out, watching my videos, supporting me, liking my videos, and sharing them. I really appreciate it. Keep doing that for me. And I'm definitely going to keep bringing this content. Now, I want to tell you guys about a podcast show. I have a podcast. I want you to check that podcast out. I kind of go in more in depth on how you can run a business, how to start a business, tips and methods and habits that you should use on a daily basis that will increase your business and increase your life as a person. And in the future, I'm gonna start interviewing successful people on my podcast too. So you really gonna want to tune in so you can learn some good stuff from these people that will help you run your business correctly and help you to become successful as an entrepreneur. So please go check out my podcast. The link is in the description below and also in the comments below. All right, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.